The 13 steps of the in-press preventative maintenance guide. Number 1. Consumable replacement. The Xante in-press has been designed for user-level maintenance. The following consumables should be replaced by the customer on a normal basis in accordance with the provided yields. Expected yields may change depending on print conditions, environment, and other circumstances. Number 2. Formatting the hard drive. This procedure resets all data on the printer's internal hard drive and removes any residual data. This should be completed on a normal basis if printing extremely large PDFs to the printer or if the print speed slows over time. Press the Printer Classic menu option from the front panel. Press the Reset button. Enter 806182. Hold C until the service mode opens. Press the System SP button. On the left menu, press SP 5XXX mode. Use the page button to scroll down. Press the 5832 HDD button. Press the Execute button. Press the Execute button again and allow the formatting to complete. Then restart your printer. Number 3. Density adjustment. The density adjustment lays down a test pattern on the transfer belt to adjust color and density values. This adjustment should be completed if colors begin to shift or density issues are encountered. If this fails, the ID sensors must be cleaned. See Step 12. Press the User Tools button. Press the Maintenance Image button. Press the Color Calibration button. Press the Adjust Auto Density button. Press OK. The machine reads adjusting while completing its process. When the auto density adjustment completes, press Exit and exit back to the main menu. Number 4. Registration adjustment. The registration adjustment lays down a test pattern on the transfer belt to adjust color to color registration. This should be completed if colors drift out of registration. If this fails, the ID sensors must be cleaned. See Step 12. Press the User Tools button. Press the Maintenance Image button. Press the Color Registration button. Press the Start button. Color calibration should finish within 30 seconds. After completion, press the Exit button. Number 5. Paper path rollers. The paper path rollers are responsible for moving paper through the machine. Clean each of the paper path rollers with only water and a lint-free cloth. Common solvents and cleaners like rubber rejuvenator may damage the rollers. Clean the bypass pickup roller. Clean the 2 rollers underneath. Make sure they are turning when you clean them. Loosen the feeder tether strap. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Open the bypass door. Clean the rollers on the interior printer side. Clean the rollers on the interior door side. Number 6. Dust-proof laser glass. Clean the dust-proof laser glass using the provided cleaning wand. Open the front panel of the printer and remove the cleaning wand. Insert the cleaning wand into each of the 4 lens slots, one for each drum. Number 7. Feeder belts. Clean the Enterprise feeder's green and white belts on a regular basis with a lint-free cloth and water. Make sure to move the belts while you're cleaning them. Number 8. Thermopiles. Clean the thermopiles with only a dry, lint-free cloth. Loosen the feeder tether strap. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Open the bypass door. Unlock the fuser. Remove the fuser. Wipe the thermopiles down with a dry, lint-free cloth. Number 9. Check waste toner bottle. Check the status of the waste toner bottle. This meter can either read storage available, near end, or replace waste toner bottle. Waste toner bottles should not be emptied, only replaced, to prevent damage to the waste toner removal system. Press the Consumables Status widget. Check the status of the waste toner bottle. Number 10. Transfer roller. Clean the transfer roller with only a dry, lint-free cloth. Loosen the feeder tether strap. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Open the bypass door. Remove the transfer roller. Clean the area where the transfer roller is mounted with a lint-free cloth. Clean the transfer roller with a lint-free cloth. Replace the transfer roller by setting the bottom of the transfer roller into the transfer case. Set the transfer roller into the transfer case using the clips, one on each side. Ensure that each of the springs is properly set into the transfer case as shown. Number 11. Internal cavity. Loosen the feeder tether strap. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Open the bypass door. Open the front panel. Release the ITB contact lever, release the belt lock, and open the cover. Grab the center handle and remove the belt halfway from the printer. Use the lift handles to remove the belt from the printer. For each drum, unlock the drum lock and remove the drum using the green handle. Clean the interior cavity of the printer. Remove any residual toner or paper dust. Note: use of a normal vacuum is not recommended, as it may present risk of a fire hazard. Number 12. ID sensors. Loosen the feeder tether strap. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Open the bypass door. Open the front panel. Release the ITB contact lever, release the belt lock, and open the cover. Grab the center handle and remove the belt halfway from the printer. Use the lift handles to remove the belt from the printer. Clean each of the ID sensors, 3 total, with a damp, lint-free cloth. Number 13. Paper dust catch. Loosen the feeder tether strap. Slide the feeder away from the printer. Open the bypass door. Remove one screw from the paper dust catch. Actuate the locking lever to remove the paper dust catch. Open the transfer case slightly and remove the paper dust catch. Clean any paper dust from the paper dust catch. Replace the paper dust catch. Notice that the tongue on the paper dust catch must be placed around the pin.